All right. Hey, 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 you trader nerds. How are y'all? Another day up in the market. We are at the overnight high. That is from last night. That's about where we are. We are tinkering between overnight high and VWAP, but we are gliding upward. The hourly mid-band is gliding upward. We have less than average volume, so low volume, and VIX in the 12 handle, and the AD at negative 46. With the AD being negative 46, I would have thought a weaker market. A lot of times that gives us an indication that maybe at the end of the day, you may see a little bit of a move to the downside. We'll see. Let's see what the big green monster said, baby. Well, it went to the value area high. Look at that. Now, wow, the volume thing, didn't it move from where it was yesterday? I thought volume profile was up here somewhere. Now, how can that move down there? I guess there's volume trading down here too, huh? Okay, interesting. So we are, ladies and gentlemen, fairly priced. Don't let anybody tell you that we are oversold or overbought. We are fairly priced. We have in our sights, we are headed, I said in our sights, I don't know why my little thing don't work anymore, but we're going to the 48.63 market down jack. I got a feeling we'll probably have it in the next 10 days. Let's look at the linear regression. Linear regression, as we say in France. Not that I've ever been in France. The linear regression looks like, wow, waka waka. I don't know. Nothing to see here, really. Let's see. Market going up, volume going down. So probably, I don't know. We'll see. I don't think there's anything to glean from this particular chart other than it probably does want to go back since we had a little pullback, go back up to the top part of the channel. All right. So everything kind of looks bullish to me. So let's see how we're doing, gang. Little old gang. Appreciate y'all being here. We got Carl, we got Charles, we got Edwin, we got Hal, we got Ken, we got Lisa Benton. Wow, Lisa, my former student from the University of Alabama is here. Lisa, how you doing, girl? Can you say something?
Hello, hello. Hi, Dr. Gaines.
Good to see you. Good
Happy
to
to
see
be.
you. Well, it's good to see you. Lisa, you need to get with let's see, Stacy. Stacy, get with Lisa because y'all need to get together. Lisa is a great person. Stacy's a great person. And I think Stacy be a great mentor type person towards you, Lisa, in the world of trading. I really do. So excited about that. So we got Edwin, Hal, Ken, Mo, PSG. We got Rick. We got Soda Junkie, we got Stacy, we got Stefan, we got Stuff, we got Todd, and we got Tom Egg, which I like a lot. All right, so good to see everybody and have everybody here. Yeah, Stacy sent a message to Lisa saying reach out anytime. She's in the Discord room. Oh, let me tell you, tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen, I've got my University of Alabama class today. So we'll meet at 1 o'clock Eastern. And then the University of West Georgia students will meet with us all tomorrow at 2 o'clock. So everybody, if you'd like to be in there with my University of West Georgia students, we will be at 2 o'clock tomorrow. It's when our session will be tomorrow. And I'm going to post the schedule because I'm teaching 3 classes this time, which is a lot. So we're going to move our schedule around just a little bit to accommodate everybody. But we are making money, baby. Let's see how we're doing over here in the little Crimson account. So we are up to 21,235. 21,235. So let's do that. 21,235. $21,235. Fire up the band, Rico. Wait a minute. That's the wrong spreadsheet. Hold on a second, y'all. Let me get the right spreadsheet. Sweet Bobby spreadsheet. This one. There we go. Daggett. Is that it? Well, where's all my stuff at? Let's say 12/29/23. Where's all my? Oh, this isn't right. Is it? 12/29/03. That shouldn't be. I mean, where's my? Hold on a second, y'all. Give me a second. I'll figure this out. So let's go to Sweet Bobby spreadsheet. Oh, that's the 2023 spreadsheet. Dorcas head. I'm such a goof. I'm such a goof. Hold on. Let's close this. Let's close that. Gotta get the right spreadsheet, y'all. And the doctor has increased my Adderall a little bit. So I'm taking just a little bit more Adderall than I normally am. So I'm a little bit off today. So let's see how we're doing here. Let's go open the right spreadsheet. So we need the Sweet Bobby spreadsheet. 224. Let's see. Sweet Bobby Tasty, Sweet Bobby, Sweet Bobby, Sweet Bobby, Sweet Bobby 2024 spreadsheet. Today's Wednesday. So this should be it. Now let's see if we're up or down. 21,200. And yeah, y'all can join in, man. The Alabama class. Well, y'all will be with the West Georgia class tomorrow, which is kind of cool. It's like y'all will be combined, which is really cool. Let me figure out what the link is on the Alabama class, see if I can't post it. So let's see how much. Are we down or up? I forget. That link is 21,235, 21,241. Let's go with that. 21,241. Okay, 21,241. I'm going to play it again. Can I?
Well, we're moving on now to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Look at us, y'all. We're up nearly 1% for the year compared to the market is down 0.12%. Look at us, y'all. This is called alpha. Alpha, baby. All right. So let's see if any trades need adjusting. Doesn't see anything. All the trades look good. So let's go into the Greeks and ratios and see how we're doing. All right. So the Greeks and ratios over here are, we are at 23 delta, 27 theta, 23, 27. Let's put that in our pipe and smoke it. 23, 27. My kids asked me the other day if I ever smoked a cigarette. I said, yes. They go, Dad, you're not supposed to smoke. And I'm like, it's been like 20 years ago, you little freaks. Leave me alone. I was trying to look cool, chasing after the women when I was driving a convertible through Cedartown, Georgia. I can remember holding a cigarette out and going, life is good, baby. Life is good. All right. So let's say our buying power usage over here is about, for the macros, is $8,700. $8,700. So we're using 40% of our buying power. Our theta is above 0.10. I don't think there's anything to do here, y'all. I don't think there's a thing to do. I think we just rack on. All right, so let's find the next one. Let's go to the TastyTrade spreadsheet. Let's make sure that's it. Got so many spreadsheets, y'all. No, that's 2023. Hold on, we'll find it. File. TastyTrade spreadsheet. Here it goes. TastyTrade 2024 spreadsheet. So let's see how much money we've made over here. So here we are at 110.24, right? And the net lick is, now, Lisa, you hadn't been with us for a while, but look at this. I want you to see this risk profile for this trade. Look at this, y'all. Let me show it. The Bobby account. Oh my God, you're going to lose money regardless of where you go. That doesn't, oh, look at this. Here it is. So this is current price of SPY. If SPY goes up, look at there, y'all. We make over to the right. We're supposed to say suspected price, suspected. It's not showing our price. Anyway, we make a defined amount of money. If the market goes down, we make lottery, baby. Go down, baby, but go down slow. Oh, slow, like a good Milo sweet tea. Got choked up. All right. We just want it to go down slow, like a Milo sweet tea. Everybody see that? Isn't that beautiful? So we're at 42,457. 42,457. Oh, yes, darling. 42,457. Fire up the band, Rico.
We're moving on now to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Yes, thank you, Jesus, for your mighty blessings from above. All right, so let's get the right account here. So that would be this one. Yeah, this one. Make sure we're getting the right account. So here we are. So we are at 3037. But remember, we've also got, let's look at our positions in this one. positions, we have ES, we got ES, we got Bill, we got all that stuff. So we're at 3037, 3037. Put that in 3037, 30 deltas, 37. And we're at 12, and we were at 12 yesterday. All right, so I almost got enough data in there. Let's see, our buying power is measly. We can't use that because we've got bill in here. Remember, we're buying Treasury bill ETF. So we're using $9,700 of our capital. 9,700. Okay, I don't know, y'all. I could see maybe doing just a little bit of a trade in here just to get my theta up a little bit. Well, let's see if we've had any trades fill. Let's see if we've had any activity. Remember, we've got these working trades. Okay. So 5 and 12 there. Has anything filled today? Nope, not since 1-8. Okay, so everything looks good there, but I think we can put in a little trade. All right, so let's go to /ES. Let's go to trade. Remember, we're putting these things out at 120 days. So probably go 128 days. Oh, I hadn't done the sizing on this chart yet, have I? On this particular account. Let's use the sizing chart. All right, so let's say we've got 42,000, okay, in this account. How many should we put on? Well, let's see how much one of these trades takes in buying power. I hadn't done this in a while. So let's pretend that we're going to do the put debit spread. So go to the 25% probability to be in the market. So we'll buy that. We'll sell that to do our put debit spread. And then we'll go down to the 5% probability of being in the money. And we'll sell two of those. See how much buying power this thing takes. It took $1,000 in the other account. So in this one, wow. Okay, now this is a margin account. That's why, y'all. So this is going to take up $607 in margin. Everybody see that? So let's go put it in that little spreadsheet. Take $600 of margin to put this trade on. We're good with using up to 50% of our buying power. So at the end of 15 weeks, if we started today, 10, 24, we would say we want about 2, 4, 7 by week 3. So 2 to 3 is our normal tranche size here. So by the time you're, 6 weeks in, you want to have 14 of these on. So that's good. So let's do, I don't know, man. Let's do a 2 lotter. So let's go do that. Let me clear it all out, because we can't do it together, right? So we're 128 days. Let's do our put debit spread first, which is, we said buy 25 delta, but let's go here. 24% probability of being in the money. And we'll sell the one $50 under it for $9.90. Let's see if we can get filled. Oh, we wanted 2 tranches, didn't we? Yeah. Come on, baby, filled. Then we're going to go down to that 5% probability of being in the money. And we're going to sell 2 of these. No, we're going to sell 4 of them, right? Because we said 2 tranches. It's a 1, 1, 2. So let's try to get $15 out of them. Probably won't. So we got a nickel and dime it, nickel and dime it. So let's go 14.75. There we go, baby. We are in. Now we're going to look at the $450,000 account, which is now $462,000. But we're going to save that one for tomorrow to trade with our little college students, right? So we want them to see some action and see some trade slinging. So, and now I trade how many trades? I trade like 5 or 6 different accounts. So what we're going to do is I think we're going to start focusing on one account per day. And that will allow us to go into a lot better depth than just going, 3 accounts this day, 2 accounts this day. So I think we'll do one account every day is how we'll kind of trade this. All right. But we're going to look at our metrics on this account because we always look at it on Wednesday. So let's go see how big that account is. First of all, let me get my mega spreadsheet up. Mega TastyTrade spreadsheet. There it is. All right, so let's go see how this account looks. And we are at That's the 72 account. We are at 462, 456. 462, 456. 462, 456. Fire up the band,
We're
Rico.
moving on up to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
So this account's doing really well. We made $3,085, and we're only the 10th day of the year. So hopefully we'll be able to pull in about between $7,000 and $9,000 on this account this month. So we're at 0.67. We're a third of the way through. That would be a what's 0.7 times 3 is 2% or so for this month. That would be great. We're right on track. And we're doing that while the market is down 0.06%. We're up 0.67%. Beautiful. See if any of our trades need management. I don't see anything that needs management. Let's go in and put the Greeks on this one. So we got to do this, do that, uncheck that. So our Greeks over here are 227264, 227264, 227264. Remember, today is the day to put in a trade, but we're not going to because we're going to show that for the college students tomorrow to see how to put on a trade. All right. So we're at 12 on the VIX and our buying power usage. We don't want to count all that bill that we have. So the buying power is, let's see, positions. We're using $126,000 in collateral. $126,000 in collateral. Beautiful.
Hey, Bobby.
Hey, Hal.
Yeah, you need to modify your spreadsheet so you can include your interest and stuff from your bill or your T-bills.
Yeah, you're right. I probably need to put something in there to see how much we're making on it, right?
You know, you're making about 5%. That's going to increase your overall return over the year.
Yeah. I mean, it's doing well. I love Bill. Matter of fact, Hal, I'm thinking about just doing Bill in my Thinkorswim accounts rather than buying the actual treasuries. It's just easier.
Yeah, it's easier, but the T-bills pay a little bit more.
Yeah. But I'm not greedy. You know me. I'm just old sweet little Bob. Okay. Everybody, y'all have a good rest of your day. We'll see everybody tomorrow at 2 Eastern, okay? Y'all be good.